My dad's calling me. I'm really squid, and today, look at that light flickering. That's just creeping me out. Come over here. But today I'm going to. Well, I made a part 1 already, and it's like of the store, and there's pitch black darkness. And
and it's haunted. So, oh my gosh, look.
In this store, I know that's creepy. And this store is haunted. So
yeah. So we already made a part 1. You got scared to death.
Yeah, we already made part 1.
To make a part 2.
Yeah. So we're going. You almost hit me with that. She's bouncing the ball around. Oh no! There it goes.
What?
Your ball. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna make part 2, and
we finally got these lights back
see how it goes. Yeah, we got
these lights back on, and my dad somehow broke into the back door to get in here.
Yeah.
Those doors we still can't get open. Come on.
But okay, look, just try it, Bree. Okay.
I'm trying to I can't get it.
Okay, try that other one. Okay, so we're gonna try this one again. Did you get it? Oh, there it goes. Jeez, that one's still stuck though. Okay, but anyways.
I'm gonna just keep this locked.
Do you have any more? Do you have any more flashlights?
No, we only have one. Because the other one's burned out. And I guess we could use my dad's, but he has a lot of text messages
Okay.
going on. Well, I guess we could.
Okay.
We should hold this flashlight.
Okay. I'll hold it. Ow. Sorry.
Dad, can we use the flashlight?
Alright, this is like.
Can you use the flashlight?
Well, I don't know.
Roll the flashlight. I need to use the bathroom.
I know,
Pause the
I
video.
did pause it. I did pause it. Huh? I did pause it. Oh, I thought I paused it. Sorry. Okay, so Bree went to the bathroom. Sorry, I did not realize that. Okay, let's see.
Okay, let's walk down here.
So, there's like... Ah! Go, 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 go! Oh my god! Go! Unlock the door! Unlock it! Oh my god! Go! Hey, I heard you. Oh jeez. Dude, I am not, Look! Doggies! They're so cute!
Sorry, we're looking at puppies now.
Dude.
That was so creepy.
That was crazy. It's like...
I hope my dad knows we're gone. He went outside.
I think he'll call you if he...
Yeah, but I have my phone at home.
Yeah, so... He went outside, but he said
I'll
he
text
needed...
him when I get home.
He's...
Say, hey Dad, I'm at home. He heard... Say, I just heard random things saying, get out.
We heard somebody... No, we heard creepy noises.
Oh, there's your old apartment.
I know, I miss it.
I could too. I could just walk down to your house.
Oh, that reminds me, let's take a shortcut by my alley. Where I used to live.
No, we can't go by your alley.
Huh?
We can't cross the road.
We can cross the road.
We're going to have to wait for a little.
Yeah, but by the way, that's my old apartment over there. Oh my gosh. I lived in the top one and the bottom one.
Freaking out.
I'll show you
we'll
which
go
bottom
across.
was.
Right
let's
here.
just... Okay. Let's go across right here.
Run.
Go.
Run.
Ahead. See,
Hey,
because
stay over here.
I used to live in this top apartment up here, and then I used to live in this
And
bottom.
this bottom apartment. Funny story. When she was at her dad's for the weekend, I was helping Aunt Kyra. Me, my brother, and my mom were helping Aunt Kyra.
Which is, Kyra's my mom, but that's
Helping her mom.
aunt.
And taking groceries in. And a blurred.
A blurred.
bird.
I remember it used to come out here and play all the time in the backyard.
But a bird flew in the house, and her mom had a big moth had a big broom and a dustpan. They were just trying to whack it, get it out of here.
Yeah,
It was hilarious though.
I was
Oh
not
crap,
there.
my Sam tried this with it.
I was not there. I was at my
I
dad's.
think it lives there. I stay on this part because I don't want to walk through it.
Keep getting hair in the mouth.
But yeah,
But anyways,
leaving
I'll show you.
Cowbushes Creek. We were staying at our house.
Okay, I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay,
We're in the neighbor's yard, but
there's her dog.
this is our house.
There's her
His car.
dog over there.
That's my dog.
Why is there just random washing machine out here?
It's a washing machine and a dryer and an item. And
Hi, buddy.
tires are here because Damon is probably trying to work out a little. Ow.
Oh, there's a stick there. Okay, we're here.
We're not allowed to watch this, man.
Why?
Because it's a bad movie. We're not allowed to watch it.
What is it?
Another romantic
We're just
meal.
not allowed to watch it.
I'm just asking what it is.
Hour 7 p.m. Okay.
Jeez.
We're just not allowed to watch it.
Oh, I
I'm
wanna
gonna unplug my phone. So
Hershey Kiss.